Microsoft Python Development Professional Certificate. This is a Microsoft course that just dropped on Coursera, and I really want to talk about it. Some people are pretty excited about it, and understandably so. But should you jump in and take it right now? That's the big question I want to look at. My name is Daniel, and today I've got Microsoft Python Development Professional Certificate review for you. So things I'm going to cover in this review are course overview, structure and content, pricing and certification, and career opportunities. And I'll let you know what I personally think about this course series. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's jump right in. Overview. Guys, Python is super popular right now and used everywhere. Websites, data stuff, automating boring tasks, you name it. Plus, Python jobs usually pay pretty well. And this new 6-course online learning program is designed to teach everything you need to get started as a Python developer. In this course, you'll get a solid grasp of Python basics like how to write clean and efficient code, work with data, and control the flow of your programs. You'll also dive into useful libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib, which will help you analyze data and make great-looking visuals. You'll learn how to write scripts to automate tasks, handle data, work with APIs, and make your work easier and faster. Plus, you will get into web development with Flask, where you build interactive web apps, manage databases, and create APIs. This program is perfect for people looking to switch careers or level up their skills with Python, a language that's in high demand right now. You'll gain the confidence you need to succeed, thanks to a curriculum that's both challenging and hands-on, plus career-focused projects that help you work toward your goals. What makes this course stand out is how it covers everything you need, from the basics to advanced topics like generative AI and cloud computing, giving you a well-rounded skill set that will really set you apart in the job market. You'll also get plenty of hands-on experience by working on projects that you can use to build a portfolio for potential employers. You'll learn how to work with generative AI tools to help optimize your code and get experience using Azure for cloud computing to deploy apps. On top of that, there's a career support module that offers expert advice on how to create a standout portfolio, write a great resume, and nail your interviews so you can land the job you want. And another great thing about this course series is that you don't need any previous work experience or a degree to join this course. All you really need is a basic understanding of computers and a knack for solving problems. Structure and content. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So, like I said, this professional certificate is made up of 6 courses. Each of the courses is broken down into 5 or 6 modules for your convenience and takes from 19 to 26 hours to complete. And the entire learning program should take you about 4 months to finish. If you spend at least 8 hours a week studying, I think it won't be a problem to finish it sooner if you already have some basic knowledge of Python or programming in general. Anyway, here are the 6 courses included in this professional certificate. Course 1. Python Programming Fundamentals. This course is the perfect starting point for anyone looking to learn Python. You'll get a strong grasp of the basics, from writing simple programs to working with data and controlling how your code runs. Along the way, you'll also practice debugging and fine-tuning your code to make it more efficient. By the time you're done, you will be comfortable writing clean, functional scripts and solving common programming problems. You'll know how to use variables, data types, and operators. And you'll be able to create well-structured programs using loops, functions, and modules. Plus, you'll learn how to handle data with lists and dictionaries, troubleshoot errors, and even manage your work with Git and GitHub to build a professional portfolio. Throughout the course, you'll be working with tools like Python, Jupyter Notebook, and Git to get hands-on experience and build real coding skills. Course 2. Data Analysis and Visualization with Python. This course takes you deep into the world of data analysis using Python. You'll get hands-on experience with powerful tools like Pandas and Matplotlib, learning how to work with data, uncover patterns, and create clear, engaging visuals to share your insights. By the time you finish, you'll feel confident handling messy data, transforming it into something useful, and presenting your findings in a way that makes sense. You'll explore key concepts in data analysis, get a basic introduction to generative AI, and even try out some simple machine learning models. With Python, Jupyter Notebook, and essential libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn, you'll build practical skills that help you analyze data efficiently and tell a meaningful story with it. Course 3. Automation and Scripting with Python. This course is all about using Python to automate tasks and make your work more efficient. You'll learn how to write scripts that handle things like organizing files, pulling data from websites, and connecting with different online services. By the time you're done, you'll be able to automate repetitive tasks, speed up workflows, and boost productivity with Python. You'll get hands-on experience with web scraping, working with APIs, and even setting up scripts to run on their own. Course 4: Web Development with Python. This course is your gateway to build interactive web applications with Python and Flask. You'll dive into the essentials of web development, learning how to create dynamic sites that respond to user input, connect to databases, and function securely and reliably. As you progress, you'll get hands-on experience with everything from structuring web pages with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to developing full web apps with Flask. You'll also learn how to work with databases, build APIs, and even deploy your projects online. By the end, you'll have the skills to create and launch your own web applications, setting you up for exciting opportunities in web development. Course 5: Advanced Python Development Techniques. This course takes your Python skills to the next level, diving into advanced programming concepts and best practices used in the industry. You'll explore more complex data structures, fine-tune your code for efficiency, and get hands-on with object-oriented programming. Plus, you'll work with cutting-edge technologies like generative AI and cloud computing while learning how to test and document your code like a pro. By the time you're done, you'll be able to write cleaner, more efficient programs, tackle bigger challenges, and even deploy applications to cloud platforms. Course 6: Project Development in Python. And this final course is all about working on Python projects in a team setting and managing them efficiently, folks. You'll get familiar with project management techniques, DevOps tools, and agile workflows, all while learning how to communicate with clients and build a strong career foundation. By the end, you'll know how to handle real-world projects, work with tools like Docker and Kubernetes, and even create your own chatbot. Plus, you'll pick up job-ready skills like writing a solid resume, networking, and preparing for interviews. Pricing and certification. Alright, let's answer the big question. How much does this course cost? Well, folks, it's not free. And honestly, offering it for free would be kind of strange. To sign up, you'll need a Coursera subscription. The good news is that it's part of Coursera Plus. So when you pay for this certification, you also get access to many other courses for free. And I totally understand, months of subscription sounds like a lot. But based on some feedback I have seen, some people finish it much faster. Plus, it's definitely more affordable compared to the cost of a college degree. Now, let's talk about certification. When you successfully complete the entire certification program, you'll also get a career certificate. It can be a nice addition to your LinkedIn profile or CV. But let me be straight with you, folks. In my opinion, the practical skills and knowledge you gain here are more valuable than the certificate itself. I'm sure you get what I'm saying. Employers are often more impressed by your professional knowledge and skills than the certificates you hold. Career opportunities. So, as I am sure many of you are wondering, does this program help you find a job? Well, I can say that potentially it does. This course teaches you some solid skills. That kind of knowledge can definitely boost your chances of finding a better paying job. On the other hand, it's not designed to prepare you for a job search. It's made to teach you some skills to add to your existing skill set. So, guys, it's completely up to you if you want to use it as a stepping stone in your career or just a way to expand your knowledge. In any case, it's likely you'll need to take some other courses and learning programs and do some interview preparation if landing a high-paying position is your goal. Is the Microsoft Python Development Professional Certificate worth it? So, is this online learning program worth your time and money? Well, that really depends on where you are in your learning journey. If you are new to Python and want a structured, hands-on program to build real skills, this course series can be a great option. Covers a lot from the basics to more advanced topics like automation, web development, and cloud computing. Plus, you get to work on projects that help you build a portfolio, which is a nice bonus when you're trying to land a job. On the flip side, if you already work with Python or have some solid experience, you might find the early courses too basic, while the later ones dive into more advanced areas. It's not necessarily a deep dive, expert-level program. So if you're looking for super in-depth content on things like machine learning or complex backend systems, you might want to explore more specialized courses. Overall, this certificate is a solid choice for beginners and career switchers who want a guided learning experience and practical projects. It won't magically land you a job, but it gives you a strong foundation to build on. If that sounds like what you're looking for, it could definitely be worth your time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you considering this program, or do you have other Python courses on your radar? Feel free to check out the course-related links in the description below. You might find some discounts there, As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.